All right, howdy, welcome back to the Addicted Motors YouTube channel. My name is Troy, and this is a Rover auction review again, because we finally have some more garbage to talk about. And this is why we're all here, right? This is a auction special 240 quarter-million mile 06 supercharged L322 in Chicagoland. 4 owners. But what struck my attention is this was probably the nicest condition L322.2 on the search right now for this type of Rover. LR3, doesn't matter. This is the nicest looking one and has a 250,000 miles. So the question is, after this discussion, would you bid on it? Man, it seems pretty clean. So let's start to check it out. Like I said, condition looks great. The adjusted MMR is $100. So would you bet $200, $300? The problem with this is it's at an independent dealer, so I don't know if they're going to give it away, but they should. Someone should call McSpadden Automotive and let them know what's going on. But it says runs and drives, 2 keys, 4 owners, all the bits, normal wear and tear, a couple scratches, matching Goodyear tires, $800 shipping to Richmond from Chicago, which is a bit of a bummer. There's probably $200 in fees. It's already at $1,000 before you even bid on the truck, which is why auction prices will need to continually go down. It's nature versus nurture, right? It's like the low mileage, bad condition, or high mileage, good condition. I'll let you decide after we look at all these pictures. Excuse me, fighting a cold. All right, wheels, condition, tires, hard to tell. Black's tough to photograph, especially in these photo booths. Clear headlights, non-faded paint. You know, Chicago car, usually the paint's not too faded. They have other things you worry about. You usually worry about rust. But exterior-wise, it seems to be in very clean, original condition. It has the underside tray, both of them, even the one covering the oil pan, which is pretty impressive. Again, tires and all look good. Body panels don't look like they're dented up or anything like that. I don't see anything that really stands out. 06, a bit of an awkward year, but apparently the best engine choice because it didn't have VVTi. So a lot of these 06s have a lot of miles on them. No rust on the tailgate. It said in the comments rust on the quarter panel. I don't see it unless we open the door and it's glaring and I missed it. I am looking in the back of the rear tire of the arch. I don't see it. It could be there, but 250,000 miles. What are you gonna do? You're not gonna. This isn't a show car, so this is something you keep and enjoy yourself. But you know, how financially viable is a car like this? Even though it is clean, I don't know. That's the fun part here. But I'm tempted because I mean, look at the seats. Seats have held up well. You know, those are the 08. Those are the supercharged seats before the perforation stuff. Before they were Land Rover, they're still a little BMW. So those are the best seats. Just don't have the black molding and stuff on the doors. You can always tell because the key is in the center console instead of on the dash. No check engine light. I mean, you know, this is impressive. You got a rear entertainment, rear TVs, even you got the headphones in the back. Doesn't look like it's ever been really sat in. Even the headline looks good. There's even coolant in the tank, right? Like what more can you ask? Besides paying $300 for it. That would be neat. But again, we're looking around, we're doing all the checks. I'd love to see what the Carfax looks like for this thing, but I don't see any major glaring issues. Even the underside looks very, very clean for, who's to say it lived in Illinois, but that's where it's being auctioned from. You know, Transpan looks good, everything's in place. So this wasn't a complete beater truck. I think someone put those miles on it purposefully. So again, let me know what do you think in the comments. This truck actually goes to auction in a couple hours. If you're interested, let me know. We can get in the bidding, but you got to get in early. So talk to you later.